How to join Grow a Garden Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then on the left side, you'll find plus button. Click on the plus button on the left side. After that, at the bottom, click on Join a Server, which is the last option. Then, in invite link, type in Grow a Garden and press on Join with Invite Link. After that, invitation will be sent. Click on Accept Invite and you're good to go. You will be added in Grow a Garden Discord server. This is how to join Grow a Garden Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.